Okay. So tonight we are making Crunchwrap Supremes. I am starting by cutting up my onion. Alright. Let me get these in the pan with some olive oil, extra virgin. Next, I'm going to add my meat. Shady Brook Farms 97% fat-free ground white turkey. This is 0 points. In it goes. Let's get this going.
Whoa!
Whoa. This is just about done. All right, my turkey is all cooked. I'm gonna add this taco seasoning to it. I'm gonna add this, a little bit of this, just a little bit. All right, I added a touch more sauce and a touch more of the seasoning. Hi, baby. All right, so we're going to start assembling my Crunchwrap Supreme. I already made my daughter's and my husband is over on the griddle. One of these, this is 7 points on my plan for Weight Watchers. This is 0 points. Load up on protein. Okay, and then I'm going to add my cheese. This is 1 point per tablespoon. So I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons. I'm going to add some of these hot and sweet jalapenos from Trader Joe's. These are 0 points. They're really good if you like things spicy. I'm going to use these chickpea things. Things. So these are, I don't even need them all. All of this was 1 point. Add 2 tablespoons of sour cream. This is Food Club light sour cream. It's, I think it's 1 or 2 points for 2 tablespoons. And then I'm just gonna add some of this lettuce. This is the tortilla from Trader Joe's.
How many points?
1 point for one. I'm gonna put it here. And then that's when you wrap it up. Yeah. And then that will kind of like seal it for it to cook. Oh yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Are we ready to do a slicey?